Agrofrost, the ultimate form of frost protection. Night frost is one of the deadliest enemies of fruit growers. Night frost not only causes financial losses, but it also has disastrous effects on plants. If trees do not bear fruit because of night frost, their growth is impaired for at least 3 years.
Wir hatten 3 kalte Nächte bis zu -6 Grad in Bodennähe. Also es war sehr schlimm, dieser Blütenfrost gewesen.
On a eu des températures au minimum de -9 degrés, ce qui est très bas pour un mois d'avril.
In het verleden hebben we altijd zeer veel problemen gehad door lentenachtvorst, zowel in kwaliteit als kwantiteit.
Jesteśmy w takiej lokalizacji, gdzie jest duże zastoisko mrozowe. Każdego roku wymarzał część plonu bądź prawie cały plon.
Agrofrost is a specialist in the area of night frost and the various methods that can be used to protect against night frost in fruit growing and viticulture. Over the past 11 years, we have grown to become the leading company in night frost protection. As a result of our consistent investments in research, we can now call upon an unparalleled base of knowledge and theoretical innovation. Thanks to extensive experience in the field, we have developed a number of patented machines, the Frost Buster and the Frost Guard. These 2 machines offer protection against night frost using ingenious, energy-efficient methods. The Frost Buster is a tractor-powered system that can protect an area of 8 hectares. The new generation of Frost Busters has been developed on the basis of 11 years' experience with earlier models. The horizontal position of the ventilator optimizes the airflow and allows energy to be blown outwards to a distance of 50 meters on both sides. The air outlets are still located on both sides of the machine. However, in our new series of Frost Busters, they're at the same level, 30 centimeters above ground level. The heater at the heart of the unit is fitted with an electronic ignition system. The use of propane gas is essential to the working of this system. Gas cylinders are located at the rear of the machine. The removable electrical control unit is fitted inside the tractor. The whole design is intended to guarantee machine stability and optimize user safety. Safe, easy to use, quiet, efficient and environmentally friendly.
Od tamtej pory, czyli od 2010 roku, kiedy zaczęliśmy je używać, mamy w końcu normalne plony na tej części sadu, gdzie wcześniej plony były praktycznie zerowe, nie było żadnych jabłek.
Grâce au Frost Buster, on a pu aider la nature un petit peu et on a réussi à sauver notre production.
The Frost Buster is the cheapest and most economical solution for guaranteed production. Operational ease of use and safety were the guiding principles when designing Frost Guard. The machine had to be able to protect both small and large plots. One Frost Guard can protect an area of approximately 1 hectare in the open air. Combining multiple units makes it possible to protect larger plots. Depending on the kind of fruit that needs to be protected, the grower has the choice between the 2 models of the Frost Guard, the GC20 and the GC30. The GC30, with the exit of the fan on top, has an airflow that moves just over the plants and is used for most vineyards. All frame components are galvanized and the whole machine is intended to be suitable for permanent installation in the cultivated area. Protection using the Frost Guard system is cheaper in terms of purchase, running and maintenance costs than irrigation for night frost protection and/or wind machines. These units are also perfect for use in covered areas and tunnels. Thanks to its small size, low noise level, economic energy consumption, lower maintenance costs, flexible installation options and ease of use, and above all its effectiveness, the Frost Guard is a revolutionary modern method for providing protection against night frost.
Man sieht natürlich, wenn man die Reihe hinunterläuft, den riesengroßen Unterschied, wie, wenn der Wirkungskreis der Maschine aufhört, wie der Behang ganz stark abnimmt. In dieser Saison hat sich die Maschine schon längst bezahlt gemacht, beide.
Our primary aim at Agrofrost is to protect fruit trees and bushes while they are in flower. This means protecting all the flowers as they develop into edible fruits. In 2009, research confirmed our suspicions that night frost damage during the flowering stage is caused not by ice crystals puncturing the cell walls, but by energy and moisture loss from cells. This accelerated moisture and energy loss is caused by water molecules. Objects are constantly bombarded by water molecules, both day and night. When these impacts occur, they either supply energy or drain it away. The molecules jump between a gaseous phase and a solid form. When they jump at negative temperatures, the water molecules go in search of energy and they drain it from flower cells. This energy loss is accompanied by moisture loss, and the cells dry out as a result. The higher the air humidity, the faster this process occurs. Consequently, a temperature below zero, for example -4 degrees Celsius, and a relative air humidity of 80% causes less damage than a temperature of -2 Celsius with a relative air humidity of 95%. There are two types of frost damage. On the one hand, some flowers are completely destroyed by frost at a high relative humidity, resulting in a loss of quantity. On the other hand, damage to cell structure occurs at a low relative humidity, resulting in a loss of quality. After 11 years of research, working alongside the PCF Research Center in Belgium, one thing is clear. Growers lose money due to every night frost in the spring. Heat rises, but with our machines we force the energy that is blown out to move sideways around the cultivated area. The water molecules on and around the flowers or buds are like a magnet for the particles of energy as they fly past. Most of the heat that is blown out is attracted to the places where it is needed most. Instead of water molecules constantly draining energy from cells, we now use the enemy to rapidly transfer some of this energy to the heart of the flowers or buds, stopping moisture losses from the cells. Some of the energy that is absorbed is used by the water molecules to return to the gaseous phase. This reduces moisture on the leaves and lowers the risk of freezing. Studies have shown that we can offer protection down to -5.5 degrees Celsius. We have even had excellent results at temperatures of -9 degrees Celsius. The range of the machines, however, was reduced to 60% of the original area.
On a eu des prévisions de gel pour les nuits qui pouvaient aller jusque -7, -8. Et au final, quand on a regardé après, on a eu des températures au minimum de -9 degrés, ce qui est très bas pour un mois d'avril. Et une année normale, sans rien pouvoir faire, on aurait une perte totale.
If flowers have already developed into small fruits, we can offer limited protection. The process by which the cell structure of fruit is damaged is completely different from the process during the flowering phase. This depends on the type of trees or plants and the conditions, down to a maximum temperature of -4.5 degrees Celsius. The Frostbuster and Frost Guard can be used for almost any type of fruit. Today, these machines are more than just a revolutionary way of combating night frost. Both the Frost Guard and the Frostbuster offer another important advantage: fruit setting. The machines are now used at least as much to achieve improved fruit setting. Using the machines in full flower promotes pollination and results in increased production.
W tych kwaterach, gdzie używaliśmy maszyny, było lepsze zawiązanie i była lepsza jakość owoców.
De productie was meer dan verdubbeld. De zetting was heel goed. We hadden ook dikkere vruchten. Het kon niet beter.
Agrofrost, the ultimate form of frost protection.